Hey y'all, Chef Sarah here with a quick tip on how best to separate eggs. So in a restaurant, sometimes we're making a recipe, we need 30, 40, 50 eggs separated. This is what we found is the most efficient way to do it, and I thought I'd share it with you. So eggs, I always crack eggs on a flat surface. If you crack it this way, sometimes you shatter it too much, so right on a flat surface, pop them open. Okay, so eggs separated. Easiest way to do, clean hands obviously, just reach in there and grab the yolk. So once you grab the yolk, it's gonna slide right out. What this is gonna do is if for some reason you cracked your egg and a little bit of shell got in the bottom, it's just gonna stay in the bottom. You're not gonna have to fight with it. You could also kind of really make sure you get all of that white off of there. When you're done, you have just your yolks, just your whites. If any shell stayed in the bottom, you could just strain this out and keep the shell, and they're separate. Thanks, y'all.